Hello guys, welcome to meet our workspace add-on for Gmail and calendar. Once you install the add-on, when you click on compose button, you will see a meet our icon downside. You have to click on meet our icon and you will see an option to connect with your portal. Click on sign in to connect. If you are logging in MeetHour in the background, it will automatically connect your MeetHour account with Gmail. Just close this window and it will refresh and will show you three options: instant meeting, schedule meeting and join meeting. If you click on instant meeting, it will immediately hit the APIs to schedule the meeting and will print the meeting details on the compose body of Gmail. Similarly, you can try this same functionality in calendar of Google as well. All you have to do is go on event, more options. Here you can type in your meeting title and then you will find meet hour as an add-on inside this drop down. You have to click on meet hour. If you are not authorized with Google Scopes and meet our login, it will ask you to do that. Once it is done, you will see this meeting URLs and meeting IDs with passcode, which you can send with the your friends and colleagues to send the invite. Thank you for